Well, hello there. Welcome back to Royalty Soaps. My name is Katie Carson. I'm the Duchess of Suds at this channel, and you are here for Secret Soap number 3 in the 2021 Secret Soap series. If you haven't seen the other two, go back. There's a playlist. You're not going to want to miss those because the puzzle piece has another little hint. So yeah, you're not going to want to spoil that for yourself. That's all I can tell you. Not letting you know anything else. Let's make Secret Soap number 3. First thing I'm going to do is pour my lye water solution into my oils. Now I'm going to blend on high with my stick blender until just past emulsion. Now I'm going to pour us off some accent colors. And before I add in my colors, I'm going to add my secret sauce fragrance oil. All right, so for the base, I am adding in 1 color. And then for these accents, I'm also just adding 1 color. And here's your hint. All of these colors are from the same supplier. Time to blend. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this first color in a tablespoon measure and add it to the second color. All right, and we're ready to pour into our molds. All right, we're going to start with the base. Pour a goodly bit in there, probably about 1/3. And now I'm going to start dropping in our accents. All right, gonna pour this last bit of our base in, kind of round off the soap here. And now I'm going to use this hanger tool and I'm going to swirl in a very particular way. I'm not gonna go up and down at all. I'm only going to swirl in a circle. Now I'm going to tap them down to remove any air bubbles. And we're going to let them sit here and harden up while I mix up our soap frosting. All right, guys, let's get to frosting this soap top. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell what I'm trying to do at this point in time or if it's still a mystery, but I think the embed will clear anything up if you're unsure at this point in time. The white. Oh no, no, no.
Oh no.
Oh dear. The most unsatisfying.
Hey, I got a question for you.
Oh, let's hear it.
What sport should be in the Olympics, but it isn't?
Knitting. Crochet. Man, with how some of those Olympians were going for it, it absolutely should have been an Olympic sport. Did you see that man that knit himself a whole sweater while he was there?
So, in your opinion, what's a gold medal knitting piece?
That sweater.
Like? That sweater?
That sweater. Or the sausage sheep, the TikTok sausage sheep. One of those steering wheel covers that they put in cars, you know, and they're always crocheted. I really like those too. Have I had better piping? Yes, I have. There's no denying it. However, everything is on top. Now we can start adding all of the goodies. This is gonna be very difficult for me to put on top and also hide the label. And now for the embeds. These will be placed in different angles all over the tops. Time to spritz the top with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And that's it. Secret soap number 3 is done. Besides that wonky piping, I'm pretty pleased. This looks very, very similar to the design that I drew up, and I can't wait to cut the inside. And we will do that in 18 to 24 hours and after this quick commercial break. Alright guys, let's get to cutting. Ooh, look how good these look on top, and that blue stayed super, super vivid. Line this up with Evangeline. I'm gonna press down gently. We must go slow to ensure quality. Well, none of our embeds fell off, so that's a plus. Let me just pull out one from the middle. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Here's the top. What a lovely presentation. Of course, I'm always thinking about what's this sucker gonna look like once it's cut. So I'm aiming for the individual bars to look super good. I'll have to decide exactly how I want those embeds. Do I like it like this? That one got a little off the top. Or like, do I want it sitting on the top? Like this one? Kind of like this. I feel like that gives a really good presentation, but it also makes the bar really tall, and I don't want to make it too big for the shipping boxes. All in all, super duper pleased. You can see I kept that one color up near the top. I'm really, really glad I did that. And even with my wonky frosting, it still ended up looking all right. Ooh, that is also another really good embed placement. I like that a lot. Look at them. Look at these two. It's so pretty. You already know what that question of the day is. What do you think the secret soap theme is? I want to hear an explanation for each soap. You can't just guess the theme. You gotta tell me why, and you gotta tell me what each soap represents, or else it's cheating. It's only halfway done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. So, consider subscribing. Maybe turn on the notification bell so you don't miss secret soap number 4. It's only going to give you more context and more clues. I have TikToks available for all the soaps that you're seeing today if you'd rather follow me on a short form content platform. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like going outside and petting a cat. I don't know. I can't think of anything. Or how about going to a place that has ices and mixing all of them together? Anybody up for a blue raspberry Coke cherry float? I don't care what you do, just be sure you do something fun for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye for now.